Hey, what's going on? Welcome on back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna be powder coating some four-wheeler parts, and we're gonna be doing it in camo green from Prismatic Powders. There's gonna be a link down in the description for the color. With this color, it's really weird. Laying it down, it was really a light color, and it was actually very hard for me to see. So the first piece that I did, the coverage was actually kind of crappy, especially in the really tight Faraday areas. So I ended up just hot flocking it. And because of that, we ended up hot flocking the rest of the pieces as well. And they turned out absolutely amazing. Now, normally we don't hot flock. Of course, there's nothing against it. And in some cases, hot flocking can actually speed up your workflow. In this video, we are gonna be covering some stuff about hot flocking. We're not gonna go into big detail, but we're gonna show you how parts can turn out if you hot flock them correctly. Now, there's the danger of putting too much powder on a part, so you definitely gotta make sure and watch out for that. But hot flocking is not a bad thing. And this is actually an instance that we had never thought of with hot flocking, but again, I don't know if my eyes are going bad or whatnot, but it definitely was hard to see this color before it melted out. When it cured, it was really a dark color, but laying it down, as you're gonna see, was actually pretty light. Let's go ahead and get to blasting. Jeremy got some really cool blasting footage. We actually hooked the GoPro at the end of the blaster, at the tip of the blaster, so you could get a really good view. So we're gonna show you that. We're gonna get these parts stripped, get them outgassed, get them blasted. We're gonna go ahead and hot flock them camo green. Let's go ahead and get to it. We stripped these pieces with rim strip. You can go ahead and find the information for that and for matte down below. Now it's time to go ahead and blast them. That's how we be blasting. New way to get you guys some footage. It's gonna be lit. Doing this piece right now. Let's go ahead and get to it, fellas. So we're getting ready to lay down some more of this camouflage color for these four-wheeler parts, and I'm having troubles with my eyes seeing the coverage because it's so light. So we're actually gonna spray these parts hot. That's something that you can do, and one of the reasons of why you may hot flock something. So we're gonna go ahead, we've got the part up to about 200 degrees. You don't wanna go much more than that. 180 to 200 is usually pretty good. We're gonna turn the powder down so we don't get any big clumps. We don't usually have that problem with the KFX one, but we are gonna go ahead and turn the powder down. We also don't wanna spray too much at it because we don't want it to, you know, glob up or anything like that. You have to be really careful when hot flocking. So let's go ahead and get in there and get this piece done. So these first sets of four-wheeler parts here turned out really good. Let's go ahead and finish up the other ones. We're gonna continue to just hot flock these as well. It's something that's working for us. Let's go ahead and get onto it. So I just wanted to jump in this video and tell you guys real quick, if you want to help support the channel, we do have some 710 Performance merchandise in our website. You can click the link down below and check it out, and if you like something, we appreciate your support. Well, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Also, if you like the video, consider giving it a like. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're one of the 80% of people that have not subscribed to our channel that's watching this video, consider subscribing so you don't miss any more information like this. And don't forget, December 21st, we're going back to going live. It's a Tuesday. We'll be live at 7 p.m. Central Time. We're gonna be giving away 5 pounds of Tiger Drylax Wet Black to one of you. So all you have to do to be entered is to be there at that live broadcast, check it out, and when we do the random giveaway, your name will be entered. So don't forget it, mark it on your calendar, and we're gonna see you in the next video. Peace.